Hey YouTube, hey Facebook, welcome back to the vlog. We're back in the Philippines since our trip 2 months ago, back in Palawan. And today, Cheno goes to Bantayan Island.
Okay, wow, so this trip was all the way back in August of 2019, and I'm only just editing it now in March of 2020. We started our Cebu trip far north on an island called Bantayan Island. It was a nice and quiet island to kick it back, and the first stop was Kota Beach. Kota Beach sat right on a private resort, so we couldn't film too much there, but as you can see, it was one pristine beach.
We are here at our second location at the cliff diving spot. I don't know if I'm gonna jump in because the waves are kind of strong and getting out of it is a bit of a difficulty. But the sun is out, it looks so gorgeous right now. And I'm gonna take some videos and photos, probably fly the drone and get some awesome cinematics.
We then made our way to our next location, and honestly, even the drive there was gorgeous.
Hey guys, it's day 2. Hey guys, so it's now day 2 here in Bantayan Island, and we're actually here at Mangrove.
Yeah, so we're here at the Mangrove,
yeah,
and
they've actually filmed the movie Come Sui here, and we're gonna check it out.
yeah, let's go.
Bantayan Island was a nice, laid-back island, good for that simple life, but we were only warming up for what's to come.
So it is our first full day here in the town of Moalboal, which can be located in the south of Cebu, and we're going to be exploring a ton of waterfalls these next few days. So we're hoping to show you some beautiful sceneries, and let's go show you the first one. So Alex and I have been at Kawasan Falls for about an hour and a half, literally just taking photos and videos. No one was here at the time, like I would say 2 or 3 other groups. So that made it super easy to get some bangers. I'm so excited to share it on Instagram at Cheno Goes. Check out flights.feelings and at alx.cncpcn right there. So we're gonna get a quick dip in and move up the waterfall. Move up the waterfall?
We then made our way to another waterfall deep inside the jungles of South Cebu. It took another 30 minutes on a scooter to get there and a 15-minute hike to reach the actual waterfall.
For our next stop, we are here at Kamba East Falls, and we're actually on the 2nd level. And Kamba East Falls is only 30 minutes away from Kawasan. But surprisingly, there's literally only like 2 other groups here, so it's pretty cool. I personally like the first level better, so we're gonna go there and have fun. But right now, Alex doesn't want to come in. So I'm gonna swim a little bit here and then head down to the first level. So this is the first level of East Falls, and everyone else left. So we kind of have this place to ourselves, and it's not too bad at all. We have made it to our last stop for the day here at White Beach, and we're ready to watch the sunset. Alex has already gone in the water, so I'm gonna jump in real quick as well, and yeah, just have a nice night to top it all off. Second day, an hour and a half long scooter ride down south of Cebu, and we made it to this massive waterfall. It is crazy. There's, I think, 5 levels here. It's called Bantayan Falls, and we're gonna swim and then head up another level.